What's your
touching me
argument?
again.
What's your argument?
Yeah,
That
I'm speaking
Muslims
to-
want to kill everyone?
I'm
Do you
speaking
see
to-
anyone killing you?
I'm speaking
Do
to-
you see many
Oh,
Indians
do I see any Muslims killing anyone?
Do you see Hindus
Have you
killing
got a problem with your eyes, sir? Do you read the newspaper, sir?
Answer me instead of trying to
Okay,
insult.
the gentleman asked me a question, and that's a sensible question to ask. He's asking me, hey, if this is true, then people must be killing others. Do you see Muslims killing others? All day long, you should just go through the newspaper articles. Read about what's happening in Nigeria. Are you now afraid? Do you know what is happening in Nigeria?
Do you know what's happening in India?
Do you know what is happening in Somalia? In other words, you asked
from
me a
India,
question.
right? You're from
You asked
India,
me a
right?
question earlier.
You're from India, right?
You asked me a question
What's
earlier.
happening in India?
Are Muslims killing others? Is the question the gentleman asked. Now he is afraid. My dear friends, who knows the answer to this very simple primary school question? Are Muslims killing non-Muslims across the world? What is the answer? Yes. Where are the Muslims?
I will answer.
Why? Are you specially confused?
No.
Why should you answer? Everyone knows the answer already.
Muslims.
Are Muslims killing non-Muslims across the world? Yes. Every single day.
Can I answer?
What's happening in Pakistan? What's happening in Afghanistan? What's happening in Nigeria? What's happening in Armenia? What's happening even in the UK? My dear friends, I don't know if you're aware,
In every
Islam has been officially declared to be a mental illness. Just about 10 days ago or so,
there is no point.
an army, excuse me,
Just let us answer.
thank you. Who's the ask here, please? Thank you.
Does Muslim look what? Does Muslim kill not in only Nigeria, in everywhere in
Do
the
Muslims
planet.
kill others?
Does Muslim kill innocent people? Say
What do you
yes.
mean innocent?
Innocent people.
Who is innocent?
Like if you're talking about like two wars, like
Boko Haram, when they kidnap
did I
hundreds of children,
Did they kidnap
what were the children guilty of?
If what you're saying is right, if Muslim kidnapped hundreds of children, we condemn that. We don't accept it. in
Oh
Islam.
yeah, okay. You see,
Wait,
the
wait,
Muslim
wait,
gentleman, the great blue t-shirt gentleman, has agreed, and therefore he says we condemn, and therefore every one of us should be happy and
we
move
don't
on.
accept it. It's against the Islam. In Islam, if you kill any civilian or anyone, we're not, of course, we're not taking.
Have you read about Boko Haram, sir?
Wait, don't.
Have you read about Boko Haram, sir?
Don't interrupt.
Look,
If
you're
any-
spreading
why are you
nonsense
interrupting?
because you're
Why
spreading
it's
nonsense.
I'm telling you.
Look,
If
the
there-
gentleman here, please move on,
There's
please.
no point if interrupting each other, you know? Look,
There is no point in even letting you have airtime because you simply cannot make sense. Please answer my simple question. You as a Muslim, what are you doing to stop Boko Haram? What are you
not
doing?
hearing me. Look, if any Muslim, any Christian, any Jews, anyone kill a civilian or a child or a woman or someone who's not fighting you, we condemn that in Islam.
Oh yeah, we condemn
Wait,
and
that's
everyone
what I
now can
said.
move on.
No, Islam.
Boko Haram, what are you planning to do about them?
No. I don't know what is this.
He doesn't even know. He does not even know who Boko Haram is.
Can I ask you
How
something?
about Hamas, sir?
Can I-
What should we do to Hamas?
Can I ask you something?
No, don't ask me anything. Answer
Do
me.
you condemn
What-
the
what-
Muslim that get killed in India? The Muslim that
Are you
they killed.
confused right now? I've asked you questions already.
Just answer.
You don't.
The Muslims who got killed in India, do you think it's their fault?
Which Muslims do you have in mind?
There are hundreds of Muslims who get
Which
killed
ones?
in
Which
India.
ones? Which
What do you mean? Do you want to tell you names? Tell me names.
No,
of
no. Give me
the
context. Give me context.
Muslims who killed someone.
Give me context.
Look, you're wasting time.
When last did you read a newspaper, sir?
We don't need to read newspapers.
You don't read newspapers.
Yeah, I don't.
That's why.
I don't.
Move on. If you don't read newspapers, just move on. Why are you showing up in a public? Where are you from, sir?
I'm telling you.
Where are you
something.
from?
I'm telling you something.
Where are you from?
That's not of your business.
Deluded.
None of your business.
Don't care about newspapers. What else do you do? Read Quran all day long?
I'm telling you something.
The gentleman doesn't know who Boko Haram is. How many of you know who Boko Haram is? Al-Shabaab. How many know about Al-Shabaab?
Can I shout out?
Do you know about Al-Shabaab? What are you?
Muhammad Hijab
We're not talking about whether you want to wear a hijab or not. We're talking about terrorists right now. Who is that Muhammad Hijab? Is he a...
Hijab, he's the one who kicked your ass multiple times.
Islamic scholarship on display. Do you know about Boko Haram?
You were talking
Do you
about
know about
Pakistan
Boko
and
Haram?
Afghanistan. Listen, you don't want to
Do you know about Boko Haram?
You don't want to listen to anybody else, right?
How many of you Muslims are willing to condemn Hamas right away? Anyone who is willing to condemn Hamas right away? No Muslim wants to condemn Al-Shabaab. Anyone? You sir, please come here. You sound like a... Are you some sort of a loudspeaker? You see, I told you already. He is a confused Muslim. He thinks I am Mecca. He's going around me. You see, walk around Kaaba multiple times. This is what happens to you.
What's happening in India?
That's in your hand. In your hand. In your hand. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. So, hello, my dear friend.
You want to condemn the Christians that want to kill?
Which one?
What about
The
BJP?
Christians, the Indian Christians that kill Muslims.
Which one? Please tell me. Which Christians killed Muslims? Please tell me.
There's in India right now.
In India, Christians kill Muslims. Which ones? Which ones?
Ethnic cleansing.
Excuse me, my friend.
There's ethnic cleansing.
Which? Listen to me. Please
What
listen.
about BJP and Hindu extremists?
Which Christian in India killed Muslims? Please tell me.
The Christian that lives in India, they are extremists.
Christian that lived in India. Which ones?
They're all Christians.
What's that?
Extremist Christians.
Extremists. Are you sure? Do you even read newspapers?
Bro, it's all, everyone knows them, man. Everyone knows them.
Would you like to condemn Hamas? Are you Muslim, sir? Would you like to condemn Hamas, sir? No. You get a second chance even. Would you like to condemn Hamas?
Why should I condemn him for what reason?
Would you like to condemn Al-Shabaab, sir?
No,
Boko Haram?
no,
Any of the Islamic terrorist organizations?
no.
You won't condemn. And so, my dear friends,
British condemned him, that's why I have to condemn him.
no. I want
Yeah.
you to make
No,
sense.
'cause the
I'm trying to see if you'd make
Because
sense.
the British condemned him, I have to condemn
Are you hearing me right now?
No, are you hearing me?
I am hearing you. That's not what I said.
What should I do with a man?
That's not what I
Give him a
said.
British passport.
Give me what?
Give him a British passport.
So you would condemn Hamas only if you are waiting for a British passport?
Not condemn him. Just give him a passport.
You won't condemn Hamas? Come what may, you won't?
No.
You see, my dear friends,
Don't follow the British.
we should speak to K.S. Starmer, our lovely Prime Minister, who thinks that trying to see that Islam is a problem is actually a problem, according to our lovely Prime Minister. Look at the gentleman here. Look at all the lovely people here, lovely Muslims. None of them would condemn Hamas. None of them would condemn Al-Shabaab. None of them would condemn Boko Haram. None of them would condemn any of the terrorist organizations in the world. Do you see what the problem is? The problem is, my dear friends, you can live in the UK for how many ever years you have, but still, when you are a Muslim, a devoted Muslim, your values do not simply align with the values of our nation. Simply do not align. And here is where they'd be very happy. Are you looking forward to an Islamic caliphate, sir?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
You're looking forward to an Islamic caliphate in the UK?
Yeah.
When exactly are you planning to get this done?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Are your friends, are you all working together for this?
Not working for it, it'll just happen itself.
How exactly?
I don't know, but it'll just happen.
You don't know? What is being taught in your mosques?
I don't know, I don't go to the mosque.
You don't go to a mosque?
No.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, well, the people may stone you. Be
Well,
careful.
no-
Be careful. People may
Not
stone
not
you.
to listen to the Imam anyway.
What's that?
I don't go there to...
What's that?
Saffron terror. Have you heard of that? What's happening in India right now? Killing
India.
Muslims. Have you heard of that? BJP.
Which one?
Hindu nationalism. Have you heard of that?
BJP.
BJP. Have you heard of
Okay,
that?
well, look.
Right?
Come here, sir. Come here. Please come here.
Because you don't want to listen to anybody. Man.
Why are you afraid? Why are you afraid? So, my dear friends, now that you're all here,
Why do you not want to speak about BJP? What's happening in India right now?
because
Why you not talking about the Indian government that do ethnic cleansing against Muslims?
Because of what?
Indian government does ethnic
Yeah,
cleansing.
your government, yeah.
No, listen now. What about BJP?
Indian government does ethnic
Exactly,
cleansing.
yeah.
Give me some
Answer
details.
me.
That's your own country, man. How you don't know?
Give me some details.
That's your own country. How you don't know?
Give me some
The
details.
Indian government are killing Muslims.
What about
Give
that?
me some details.
That's your country. Why should I give you details when you know your
Do you have any details or not?
Yeah, everyone knows
If
it.
you don't have any details, please move on. Please move on. You're wasting time. So, my dear friends,
Answer me about BJP.
my dear friends, you see the problem we have in our nation. The gentleman wants Islamic Caliphate.
Answer me about
In an
BJP.
Islamic
He's not
Caliphate, what would you do
listening
to me, sir?
He's not listening. Answer me about BJP, bro.
Nothing, just let you live.
I'm a Christian.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, well, what would
What's happening in India right now?
What,
Tell me
do
about
I have
that.
to do?
BJP.
Does my religion say I have to do
Frontera,
something to
Sir
you?
Frontera.
Does my
Stay away
religion
from
say I
my
have to do
Nah,
something
you
to you?
answer me, bro.
Are you sure about this?
Answer me, bro.
Have you read Surah 532?
I've read everything.
He's gonna be-
I've read
Surah
everything.
532.
I've read everything.
Number one there, number one. The Lou there. Number one, number two even, you can go
Tell me
there.
one thing, yeah?
Even for number two, you can go there.
Answer me about BJP. Answer me about BJP. Answer me about Hindu Frontera.
Please,
Answer me about
in an
Sir
Islamic
Frontera.
Caliphate, what would happen to a
Ahmedabad
Christian?
massacre. Tell me about that, yeah?
Nothing.
Nothing, yeah.
Answer me about
yeah.
BJP, brother.
Are you trained to be a liar?
No, he's not answering
No, I'm
me,
not
bro.
Christian.
Are you trained to be a liar?
I'm not an evangelist.
Now that we're
No,
talking-
Christians don't lie. Are you
not
trained to be a
evangelist.
liar? Are
I'm
you
not-
Muslim, in other words?
I'm not an evangelist.
Are you a Muslim, sir?
I'm not an
Are you from
evangelist.
India?
So-
Are you from India? Or you not answering? Are you from India?
My dear friend, so you know history, you know
Are you from India?
how old are you, sir?
Doesn't matter.
Have you read the Quran in your life?
I have. Are you?
So show me details. Show me. We're moving on.
No, why we moved
We're moved on.
No, we've not
Look,
moved on.
we're moved on. We gave you enough time. I gave you enough time.
When you answer me,
Excuse
about
me.
BJP,
I gave
when
you.
Answer me about Saffron.
Tell me. Give me
know?
precise details.
know?
Which in?
No, you don't know.
Are you listening right now?
No,
Are you listening right now?
you don't know.
Are you listening right
No, you
now?
don't listen to anybody over here. Because you know what?
Give me an event, and I can comment. Please go on.
Really, 2008. After what about 1969 Ahmedabad massacre? You know about Ahmedabad massacre? Ahmedabad.
I 1969.
1969. What about how many?
What 1969
In
Ahmedabad?
2008, how many Muslims did they killed? Do you know about that?
2008. So, my dear friend,
What's happening right now?
do you just throw in random dates like that?
Search them up.
So I'm going to move on right now. Okay.
Search them
So
up. What's happening in India right now?
look,
about
my
BJP?
dear friend. Clearly, you haven't got a clue. You just
I
need to
don't
move
have a clue?
on. Absolutely, you can
Wow,
just
you
move
don't
on.
have a clue, my brother.
So, my dear friends, we have uncovered at Speaker's Corner that Islam is really a problem, even according to the confessions of our lovely Muslim friends.